Guys, you can use this link, okay, t.me telegram.me/blinkstock underscore bot. This is the bot I created. Okay, you can once you enter right in your Chrome browser or in your iPhone, just enter this URL and then tap on the start bot, or directly you can type it here. Directly you can search it here, Blinkstock. I'll be providing the link in the descriptions, direct link, so that you can check it. Blinkstock, okay, underscore bot. So this bot will be running 24 hours. So just entered it. Okay, cool. So as soon as right I entered, you can see the information which I received. So I created this. So here you can read the options how to use me. So you need to enter the 6-digit code. Example, in my locality, right, I'm going to enter the zip code. Okay, this is my zip code, so I'm going to enter. Before that, I just want to read this. So read how to use me, and directly you can enter your pin code. This will be checking every 15 minutes. The stock will be checked and you'll be getting notified. Direct link, you can click and you can purchase. So here, right, also you can change it whenever you want to change the pin code. That also you can change it. For example, if you're going to your neighbor house or friend's house, there will also be a Blinkit, right? So in that locality also you can search it. If it is available, wherever you go, you can directly search it. So first thing, I will check the basic one. So it's monitoring the Hot Wheels. It will take some time, like 1 or 2 minutes, okay. So now it's 6:32. You can check the result as soon as it's found. What are it is in stock, right? That will be fetched. Definitely this bot will be very much useful. See, it says 0 price, so there is no Hot Wheels under this zip code. Example, I'm going to try no Hot Wheels stock right now. Example, now I'm going to choose Mumbai zip code, okay, 40001 00001. I'm going to enter it. Sorry, I need to change it. So first I will do change. I need to change the zip code, right? Otherwise it will be fetching the previous one. Change. So now I can enter that. For this video, complete video I'll be posting in YouTube also. So this is my channel, you can check on that. So zip code is changed. Complete video you can check on my channel. If you want to know the tutorial also, you can comment it. Definitely this will be very easy for Hot Wheels fans. It started at 6:34. We'll see if it is in stock for this zip code. Definitely it will be fetching all the in stock items. See, it is not completed even 1 minute. So it's found 153 items, friends. See, you will get the notifications. My notification is in silent mode. See how many Hot Wheels is found. Wow, even the tracks also it's fetched. Example, if you got Ferrari also, you can buy it for 117 MRP. See, Hot Wheels Futuristimo, lot of things are there. So I am going to type it directly, this Blinkit code, URL. So it's available. One thing you need to know, by default sometimes it will be fetching the default one, okay. Zip code will be updated. Otherwise you need to enter your zip code so that you can identify, because sometimes, right, it might be using your default sessions from your Chrome browser. But when you came to know, right, about the in-stock items, definitely it will be there. Directly you can purchase it. So that's it, friends. So this is the way this bot works. This will be running 24 hours. Now if you want to change, right, again after 15 minutes it will be running. If I want to change it, I am going to change it to some Andra zip codes. I'm going to enter the zip code of Andra. Okay, so it started checking now. 5,01,000. Super cool. See, it started, popping lot of Hot Wheels. Totally, it found 133 links. Okay, guys, if you use this bot, right, you can purchase immediately. See how many it's coming. See, wow, super cool, right? So, hey guys, Ferrari is there, guys. So you can buy if you are in the zip code. So every 15 minutes it will be triggering. See, it is not the default one, so I need to use 5 because the last time location will be automatically picked even if you click the link. So I'm going to change that current zip code. Okay, so guys, see this. Once you change your zip code, this Ferrari is now available. You can book. Okay, so this is for MRP. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This is the way you can book it. If you want to know any instructions, right, you can book. If I'm in Andhra, definitely I would have booked it. Okay, that's it, friends. Now you can see all these links. You can click and enjoy. And if you want to change the zip code, now you can change it. Okay. Also, I'll be providing the link in the descriptions for the bot, and also you can share your friends and relatives because if they are in some location, right, they can identify the stock. Okay, so that they can inform you. But usually people will not tell if they are buying for Hot Wheels. Anyway, try this app and provide your feedback. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.